Good morning, students. Today we are going to read about unordered list. In previous class we have discussed about ordered list. Ordered list is being created with the help of numbers, letters, and in unordered list it is created with the help of bulleted. We use bullets. So in HTML there are 3 bullets we use to create an unordered list. First one is disk, which appears as like this, then circle, and last one is square. So these are the 3 ways we declare an unordered list. Means whatever list we create, it will appears in either in disk or circle or square. So these are the 3 ways how we declare a list. So unordered list means list which is unordered. That means it does not contain any number or letters. It will use bullets. So here I am written one HTML code which is based on unordered list. So I have written the HTML, after that the head, then the title I have given unordered list, then title will be closed and head will be closed, after that body, and then I have used one heading, a bold heading, that is H1 is used to give headings to an HTML page. So I have used H1 is the most prominent heading. I have discussed in the previous class that for heading H1 to H6 we can use. So H1 is the most prominent heading, and after that H2, H3, H4, and lastly H6 is the least prominent heading. So I have used H1. So I have written an unordered list in H1. H1 is a container tag, so it will be closed over here with the slash sign. After that I have written UL. UL means unordered list. Unordered list type equals to disk. I have used disk, which is used to get an unordered list. After that I have written games. It will be the heading. Unordered list will be game. So games I have given, and list item. I have to define a list item. So I have defined 2 list items. In one I have written cricket. List item is being closed over here. After that list item, then I have written a list football. It will be closed over here. And lastly I have closed the UL tag, because unordered list is also a container tag. After that body, and then HTML. So the output will come like this. Unordered list, it will be depicted in the above. After that games, and with using of unordered list I have used disk, so it will be depicted as, or it will be shown as like this, cricket and football. So this is the output of the code. So practice the code. I am going to give some homework, so practice the code. Thank you.